Hello YouTube, this is XGODY K30 budget smartphone. Stay tuned and let's go straight into the unboxing. This phone has a 6.8 IPS LCD display and it's running on a Android Go edition. So it has a very limited specs including a quad-core MediaTek processor 1.3 GHz. This phone has a 8 GB internal storage and 1 GB of RAM. The rear design of this phone is very much similar to Xiaomi Redmi K30. The phone has an internal 3000 mAh battery. The back here is made out of plastic. The rear camera here is 5 megapixel. On this side we have a SIM card slot. Inside you will find a dual SIM card tray. Also you can use a SIM card slot for your micro SD card if needed. On the bottom we have a USB Type-C port for charging and we also get a loudspeaker with microphone. Note this phone does not have a 3.5mm headphone jack. You may have to use wireless Bluetooth or a dongle if needed. The things included in the box are a TPU case. We also have the charging adapter, the data and syncing cable, along with the user manual. You also get a SIM injector tool with two screen protectors. One is the sticker and another is actual tempered glass. This is how it looks like. The case has bumpers on the edges. It protects the phone if you drop it.